Late yesterday, Twitter launched version 2 of its API, a complete rebuild of its API, by the way, the first time it's been rebuilt since 2012, that is designed to improve relations with third-party developers, quoting The Verge. The API version 2 offers third-party developers access to features long absent from their clients, including conversation threading, poll results in tweets, pinned tweets on profiles, spam filtering, and a more powerful stream filtering and search query language. There's also access to a real-time tweet stream rather than forcing third parties to wait before serving new tweets. This should mean that, following the API version 2 launch, third-party Twitter clients like Tweetbot and Twitterrific can begin integrating these features, though there are some caveats. The big one is that Twitter is reorganizing its API access along 3 levels. Only the basic free level is launching today, and that has limits on how many API calls developers can make, aka how frequently their software can ping Twitter for data. The next level of access, which Twitter is calling Elevated, won't have the same restrictions, but it will cost users, and Twitter isn't announcing pricing just yet. The company does say, though, that it expects 80% of developers on its platform will have their needs met by the basic tier. Before the details are shared, it's difficult to say what changes will happen to third-party clients, Ged Mayhew, co-founder of Twitterrific's parent company Icon Factory, tells The Verge. He says the new API is, quote, potentially very good for third-party Twitter clients, but that Icon Factory is taking a wait-and-see approach until they know details, particularly pricing. But Mayhew says he and his colleagues have also been impressed by Twitter's conciliatory approach to developers. Quote, over the last few years, Twitter hasn't been great and they know it, but they fully recognize and admit it, he says. After so long being a third or fourth class citizen with Twitter, it's refreshing, end quote.